Hello guys, this is God's Power Ugiagbe. So today I will show you how you can make $100. So you can see this $100 on your screen. Once I click on claim, this $100 will be sent into my PayPal account. That is it. So I will show you step by step how I make this money. All I just want you to do is to keep on watching. Let me show you step by step how this method works. So click on the first link to head over to this website. As you can see, this is the website which is called Prizerebel. Once you click on the first link, it will land you on this website which is called Prizerebel. You can see the website. What they do is that take surveys, endpoint, and you can get that point into, you can convert that point into cash, which it will be converted to paper cash or Amazon gift card or any type of gift card you wish to use. You can see endpoint when you take surveys, redeem over 100 plus reward, including gift card to Amazon.com, Walmart, and paper cash. So it depends on how you want to use this website to redeem your money once you have the minimum amount of cashing out. So first thing, what I'm going to show you now is to register. Before you register, let me show you something. You can see that this application or website, which is called Prizerebel, have been featured on award on Amazon and a bunch of places you can see here. So it just depends on you to choose if you really want to use this application. How it works: first, you need to sign up for free and endpoint by completing a short task by giving your own opinion. You see what it said here: endpoint by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, which is you are going to take survey or answer question or complete tasks like liking picture or watching video or downloading application or playing games. You are going to get paid for just doing all those things online. So you can see where is a redeem on this session. It's a redeem point for paper cash or 100 of gift cards that you wish. That is it, and that is how it works. It's very simple. It says when you join a member of Prizerebel, you will have instant access to thousands of online opinion surveys. Complete them at your leisure and redeem endpoint for instant reward. So it just depends on you. So once you join, you can just start instantly to start using this website, which is called Prizerebel, to start making money. As you can see here, those are where Prizerebel have been featured, and they are is trusted. You see, as featured on those sites. So you can see Trustpilot, Insider, Jabba, and Survey Policies. So it just depends on you where you want to go and use this application. Go and check the review and see it. As you can see, they have member of almost 12,000 users, and it's growing every single day, and they have 1.5 million in reward giving that they have given out, and they have established, or they established this company 2007. So yeah, so that's it, and that's the things I need to talk about Prizerebel. So you can see the company started since 2007 until now, so they are making a lot of money, and they have almost 12 million users. So that's it, guys. And if you scroll down here, you will see reviews about people that is winning gift and etc. So enough of the intro about Prizerebel. If I go up here, so to register, this is how you can register. To register is very simple. Enter your first name, last name, your email address, and your password. Click on sign up. They will send Prizerebel will send you an email. What you need to do, click on that email and verify your account. Once your account has been verified, you will now be able to start taking survey, downloading application, watching videos, do a bunch of things on this website, which is called Prizerebel, and you will receive money. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my website, into my account, to show you everything you need to know. So as you can see, I have just logged into my Prizerebel account. So this is how the home page, the dashboard look. You'll find this is daily challenge. If you are able to get endpoint of 152 points, you will enter for the daily challenge. So yeah, if you are able to do that, they have 5-day challenge, which you are going to endpoint every single day, which is, if you can do that, you might win some points on this day. So it just depends on you. And if you scroll down here, you will see a bunch of gift cards that people are redeeming recently. And if you scroll down here, you find surveys. So those are surveys that you can just go and click on any one of them, go and complete survey from all those companies, and you will get paid for just doing that. So it's very simple. You can see all those are surveys. You can see surveys. You can scroll down here, 10 minutes of your time, you will make 93 cents, which is almost $1. 100 points is 100 points on Prizerebel. 100, if you have 100 points, you already have $1. So if you have 500 points, you already have $5 on your account. So it's very simple and it's very easy. So what you can do now, click on any surveys here. Let me say I click on this survey. It's going to take me directly to another website. It's going to take me to this session here where I'm going to click on the survey, and I will go and take this survey. So that is how it works. And it's redirecting me now. So once you redirect me to this website, and I'm going to go there, start taking this survey, you can see just take me here. So what I need to do is to start answering question, and if I complete this question within that 10 minutes, they ask me to complete this task and I will get paid. So that's how it works. It's very, very simple. You can see if you work in your organization, IT department, please provide more details about your role. So you can click here. Let me say you can say a business analyze. You can click on this and you can choose anything that will just depend on you. You can say data protection, what you do on that your company or that your organization. Click on it, and that is how it works. It's very simple. Answer the question, come down here, click on continue, and once you complete the question, you will receive that point. You will receive this point, which is in 10 minutes you will make 50 cents. So it's very simple, and if you continue taking surveys like this, you will be in a chance of making $100 a week. So it just depends on you. This is just at your free time. This is not something you can take as your you can use it as a daily job or what you want to. If you don't have any job, you can just be doing this every time, or it depends on you, and that is it. So if you, let me say for example, you want to make more money, you can just click on this session where you say end. You can click on offer words. So on this session, you'll be able to see a bunch of ways that you can use to take surveys and make more money. So what you can do here, you can see all those are companies that you can click and go and like use them, and you will see that you start making money from them. If I click on this one here, let me see this offer to row. If I click on it, you find out that you'll be able to now start downloading application, and in return you can get paid for just doing that. So yeah, that's how it works. You download the application, use it, and you will get paid. You can see this application open, gain, and complete to level 50. You will make 400 points, which is $4. And this one, if you complete this game, you have to verify your account and minimum amount, deposit minimum amount of 30 euros. You will make 2,191 points. So that is a lot of money, but it just depends on how you want to use the application or this website, which is called Prizerebel. So I don't want to go into details upon details. So you already know how you can make money with this website, which is called Prizerebel. And let me say you have the price. You have a price here now. You want to redeem your money. To redeem your money, you just need to click on this session, click on reward, and click on rewards. So once you click on rewards here, what is going to happen is going to pump up a bunch of gift cards that you can use to redeem your money. Those are recent cash out that people have done. And yeah, I'll close this. And here, those are the gift card that you can use to redeem your money. You can see a bunch of gift cards, PayPal, Amazon. If I click on PayPal now, it will open. You will see that you'll be able to cash out $100 into your account. So it just depends on how you want to use to cash out money to your account, or to that your PayPal account, or how much you have on your account here. It depends on how much you have. That is how much you can cash out. You can see PayPal custom amount. If I click on PayPal custom amount here, so this one I'll be able to enter amount I want to cash out. Let me say I have like $1,000 on my account. I can come here now, enter the amount I want to cash out, and the money will be sent to me. That is it. And I click on click this item. It will be sent to me within 24 hours. You can see it's currently three claim per hour. So yeah, you can do this three claims per hour, which is you can claim, you can like withdraw money 3 times per hour, and you cannot just continue withdrawing money all the time. So they have a limit of how much you can be withdrawing every single day. So that's it, and that is what I need to talk about. And another way you can still use to make money with this application, which is a website, which is Prizerebel, you can click on this section where you see invite. So on those session, you'll be able to refer your friend to Prizerebel and you will make money. So you can see, if I copy this my link now and go and share this link with my friend, I will make money. So you can see it say as your friend, your referral earn by completing survey, you will earn 25 bonus based on their earning. So that's it, and they will earn 1,000 points, $10, when you will earn 250 points, which is, so they just kind of customize this and make it to be a win-win. So you are referring people, you are making money, and they are making money too. You can see that I have referred 22 people to this program, and they are using it. And you can see I have made this is clicks that I have got from this website, and this is how much I have made, which is 6 cents. It's not a lot, but you can refer people to this program and you'll be making money. It depends on how much they are making. That is how you have the chance of making more money. So that is how it works. And yeah, so that was it, guys. I hope that you enjoy this my tutorial, a way on how you can make money with Prizerebel. So if you enjoyed this video, all I ask in return is for you to click that like button. Let me know what you think, if you find it interesting. And that's it, guys. And Prizerebel have an extension where you can install Prizerebel Chrome extension, where you will be like, if you are buying things online, it will be giving you a discount code, and if you use that discount code they are giving you, they will give you another discount code that you can come to redeem on your website here. If I click on this icon, you'll be able to enter your discount code here, and you can click on go, and the point will be added to your balance. So yeah, that is how it works. You can go and try it out. You know, there's a bunch of ways you can use to make money with Prizerebel. So that's it, guys. I'm going to end it from here, and I'll say thank you very much. Like I said, don't forget again to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now you know how you can make $100 every single week. You can go now, start taking surveys, start making free money online. Before I end this video, don't forget again to check this my website out. And once you come to my website, click on community, click on Yugosphere forum. Here on my forum, you'll be able to ask me any question you want to ask me, and just ask me any question. I will reply you within 24 hours. So I'm available 24 hours. Just ask me any question you want to ask me. Come here, and you can just come here and select a topic, or just ask me any question from any topic you see here, and you can find a bunch of topics here on my forum, and just ask me any question here and I'll reply you within 24 hours. So that's it, guys. And again, before I end it, don't forget to check out this my blog. If I click on blog here now, on this my blog, I blog every single week. I update this my blog every single week. This is the blog. So let me open the blog. So as you can see, guys, this is the blog, and you can find a bunch of websites here on this my blog, and I'm updating this blog every single week. You can come and check it out and use different ways. This is a table of content. So if you click on, like, let me say Canva now, it will take you directly to Canva session, where you'll be able to see how you can make money with Canva and how you can use Canva. So that is it. And all I just want you to do, go and try those methods out. Let me know what you think. And the link of this my blog will be in the description too. You can check it out. And again, don't forget to check out my SEO tools. Here you'll be able to use a bunch of tools here. You see article rewriter, plagiarism, mental tag analyzer, keyword position, backlink checker, word counter. So those are tools that will help you to grow on your website, to see what is happening on your website. There's a bunch of tools here. There's 50 tools you can find on this my SEO tools. So come and check this my USafe SEO tools out. Let me know what you think about it in the description below, and I'll end this video from here. So I will just say thank you very much. Don't forget again to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next one.